India's hidden riverfront paradise. Flowing through the heart of Assam, the mighty Brahmaputra is one of the largest rivers in the world. Let's take a walk along its stunning riverfront in Guwahati. A hidden gem in northeast India. Welcome to the beautiful Brahmaputra Riverfront Park in Guwahati, Assam. Stretching along the mighty Brahmaputra River, this riverside promenade offers breathtaking views, fresh air, and a peaceful atmosphere. The well-maintained pathways, colorful gardens, and elegant seating areas make it a favorite destination for morning walkers and tourists alike. As you walk through the park, you'll discover artistic sculptures that celebrate Assam's rich cultural heritage and traditions. Visitors come here to relax, exercise, take photographs, and admire the magnificent Brahmaputra River. The riverfront beautifully combines modern urban design with natural beauty, creating one of Guwahati's most attractive public spaces. Whether you're a nature lover, traveler, or fitness enthusiast, this riverside park offers a memorable experience. As the sun rises over the Brahmaputra, the entire promenade transforms into a picture-perfect destination. Thank you for joining this peaceful walk through one of Assam's most beautiful riverfront attractions. Would you like to walk here? Comment your country below.